Here's something new you can do with thrifted material with a fuzzy surface. You can make your own flocking to give your crafts a rich texture and feather your nest for the holidays. And it's pretty easy. Take a look. We're going to update this Tide Pod container for Halloween. We'll spray it with primer that's made to stick to plastic, and then we're going to paint it with flat black chalk paint. Then we'll draw a vintage-style cat face on top with a homemade stencil. If you mix hard and soft effects like paint and flocking, they really complement each other. Mixing effects is a good crafty idea. So, while we're waiting for the paint to dry, let's make our flocking. You can use fluffy, thrifted clothing, rugs, yarn, or even a plush toy. We used small scissors. I wore bandages on my fingers so I wouldn't get blisters, and I found that we could stretch the fabric to make the work go faster. See this working up close? And then we organized the colors as we went along too. So let's make this Tide Pod container into a flocked, vintage-styled cat, great for stashing candy and for tabletop decor. This was much easier than we thought it would be. When the face was dry, we painted the design with flexible craft glue, then we pressed the flocking into the glue. Press it well down so that the glue seeps up through the fluff. You'll feel the glue rising even through gloves. Then, you can use scissors to refine the shape. In some places, we layered the colors 3 times and even did shading effects on the nose and the cheeks. You can use tweezers for stray pieces of fluff. And then we hold everything together with a fixative like Mod Podge. Flocking can be a little messy, but it's so worth it. You can make one-of-a-kind foliage effects or take any ordinary decoration and fluff it up, like we did with the spider and the owl. We used the most worn-out materials that were passed over in a thrift shop and really made them shine. The cat pattern is on our website. Don't miss our next episode. Click the sun logo to subscribe. See you later.